In this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn off autocorrect in Google Docs. Turning off autocorrect is useful when you are typing technical terms, code, usernames, or foreign words that keeps getting changed automatically. Now, as an example, let's say I will type receive, but I'll type it wrongly, like this. And now if I press spacebar, it's going to be automatically corrected to receive. And also it's going to use auto capitalize. So you can see that R is capitalized. And if you want to turn this off, I'm going to show you how. So firstly, you want to go to tools, spelling and grammar, and you can turn off both those options. So you want to turn off show spelling suggestions, show grammar suggestions. I'm going to turn them off. And then you can go to tools again, and from the preferences, you want to choose or uncheck automatically capitalize words if you don't want to use this, and also automatically correct spelling. And then click on OK, and now you can type receive however you want. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.